Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin, or BornHype, coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today, in this video, we got BornHype Cooks episode 13. Now, this is most likely going to be the last episode named the BornHype Cooks, as I'm going to be moving away from that name and trying to get a more professional name for the series moving on forward, and as well as why I didn't upload for the past couple weeks. Obviously, the first week there wasn't really many releases, number one, and I was also upgrading / changing my setup in general. That's why you guys can see the camera angles a little different. My shoe thing is covered with like some computer parts that I have to finish putting in. I'm ordering a camera today, so I will be able to give you guys some different footage, not just in my room the whole time. We got a new processor for my computer, so because Supreme box logos, that was not good for me for recording wise. Now what happened was I got box logos, don't get me wrong, but mech and a bunch of like the Supreme bots, all the request modes basically for like mech and stuff didn't work, so they had to do a bunch of browser stuff, and they made browsers open like crazy, and my whole computer crashed, and it just like the recording crashed. That was it. My computer itself didn't crash, but the recording like froze the entire time. I sound like a robot in the recording. It's unusable, and yeah, but we ended up getting 4 box logos, so that was good. But that kind of started me getting into upgrading everything again for the YouTube channel and just trying to get everything more professional for you guys. So you guys enjoy all these videos that I do be releasing for you guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you guys leave a like down below. Check out all the sponsors, links are in the description below. Drop a comment, join the Discord, check out my Twitter. You guys know the drill, and I will catch you guys in the video. Peace. Waiting for restock. I knew that was gonna happen, bro. There's no way. Everybody checked out so early. Oh, I picked up. I got Q. Waiting for restock. Pulling Q. I got horrible captcha. Man, why am I getting terrible captchas? This site doesn't know how to work Shopify. Getting shipping rate. Setting shipping rate. Loading payment page. Submitting payment. Processing. Should be a dub. There we go. A nice successful checkout on the prisms. Let's go, let's get some more, eh? So the first drop we had here was the Justin Bieber Crocs. Now, obviously in the recording, I only get 1 pair on Prism because that was the only Shopify releasing, and Cyber absolutely destroyed this Shopify site. Actually, TKS did pretty good too, but they both destroyed this site. It was basically a Cyber exclusive. Before they even dropped the shoes when password page was up, Cyber was just checking out as many pairs as possible. And then when they did drop, I was running Prism as well as Soul AIO because I did want a few of these Crocs, especially after what happened with the Bad Bunny Crocs. Obviously, if you guys missed that release, it was kind of crazy. They shot up like nuts. But yeah, because of that release, I went for these as well, and thankfully I did hit 11 pairs. I hit 10 on Quick Hop and 1 on Prism, and now I was the only person in Prism to hit on Shopify, which was actually insane because me personally, I am not the best Shopify botter, as you guys can see in my live cops. It's probably my least successful site like category that I go for, being like Supreme and foot sites being my best. So yeah. Luckily, we did a hit on Prism, and then we got about 10 pairs off Crocs website with Quick Hop, and it was a good release. Unfortunately, pairs did tank. They're like not even profit now, but I'll probably hold on to them since they're cheap, and we can wait till like Christmas time probably, and I bet you they'll be back up to like 150. Alright guys, today is Jordan 1 Lucky Green Day. Now I am going for foot sites, finish line, JD, Hibbett, as well as some Kith tasks right here. We will also be entering sneakers on our phones. Hopefully we get some dubs today. I know stock is very low. It's looking lower than the Satin Jordan 1s that just released before. So hopefully we do end up hitting a few pairs, and yeah, let's see how it goes. We got about 3 minutes till drop, and I'll see you guys then. slow captures again. Carded one in Foot Locker. I checked out one in Foot Locker. Nice. Man, dude, these captures are horrible. What the fuck? What happened to my Gmails? Another one's carded on Foot Locker here. Another checkout. There we go. 6. 2 carded on Foot. 3 carded on Foot Action. 1 checkout on Foot Action. 2 checkouts on Foot Action. Give me the 3rd. I've used 2,000 cookies. Carded one. Foot Locker. Let's go. Give me that checkout. Come on. Don't give me no. Let's go. Let's check out. Dang. Stop giving me cookie limit. I didn't hit no cookie limit. So overall for the Jordan 1 Lucky Green release, it went great. Prism did its thing as usual, got me 6 checkouts. Loop Proxies also went crazy for me this release. I don't know what happened, but their release ISPs went insane. I ended up getting most of my checkouts with them, and I was honestly very surprised that I did get this many checkouts, just in general because this shoe had very low stock. The last couple of shoes that I've gone for with this low amount of stock was most of the Kobe's that have released, as well as the satin Jordan 1s that released a little while ago when my power was out and it was just a shit show. But overall, I absolutely cooked this release. I'm happy with the results, and I'm very happy with Loop's new ISPs. So I'm definitely going to be running more of those in the future. And I definitely recommend you guys to as well if you guys are looking for some proxies for foot sites. Link is in the description for those if you want to check them out, as well as my discount code. Now, out of my 7 checkouts I did get total, 1 got canceled on Foot Locker. Now, I have no idea why, because it was a checkout at like 10:09. It wasn't late or anything, and it just got canceled, and nothing was different with my profiles. All the rest shipped, so that one was just unlucky. But overall, 7 checkouts on the day, definitely not bad for a release like this. Alright guys, it's Supreme time. We're going to be going for the color black jacket, so a few of the Air Maxes, as well as the pipe skate key. Now, hopefully we do get a few of these. I'm not going too hard this week as resale is kind of iffy. We don't know. As well as a few bots did okay on EU. It didn't seem like they did too great, but we're still going to go with mech this week. And yeah, let's see how we do. I will start back up at 11. Alright, here we go. About 20 seconds here. Let's get this W. There we go. Captures like this. Where did the 1 clicks? The pipe key did not pick up. Let's see if I just do pipe. We can pick up then. Nice. Shoes. Nice. Hit a jacket. Where's the pipe key? Processing failed on pedal decline there. Okay. It's fine. We got a jacket and okay, I want my pipe key though. Where's that at? I got charged on my pedal card right here, but no success. Oh wait, I just saw the pipe thing in the Mac. Pipe skate key. Oh, is that under skate? Damn, it might be. So for Supreme, they released the Color Block Fleece, as well as the Nike collab with the Air Max Pluses, and the pipe skate tool, which was pretty sick. Now, I did get all 3 of these items. I got 2 of the shoes, which it didn't show in the live cop. It only showed me getting 1, because 1 was on processing for like 2,000 things, and then I got an email randomly. So I got 2 of the Air Maxes, both black, size 8.5, which, whatever, 8.5 is not that good, but I'm still not mad. And then I got 1 of the color block jackets in a size large, and 1 of the pipe skate tool, which you guys did not see in the live cop either, because it was also processing forever. And I thought it was a decline until I randomly got a charge at like 1150 and an email. So Supreme went great. As usual, my setup's been doing well. With those cancels that I was talking about the other week, it seems like they kind of stopped. I'm like I said, I thought it was like kind of a Supreme factory error. They were either overselling or they were just, I don't know, they were just screwing shit up in general. But every single order that I've gotten recently from Supreme, from the 4 Smurfs decks to all of my box logos came in, and all the orders from this week came in with all my VCCs and stuff. So I don't think that it was my issue that week. I think it was Supreme side. And hopefully they fixed it so I can start cooking Supreme again. Now getting into some stuff that has arrived this week. First up, we got the Supreme Color Block Fleece. Now this thing was like a lookbook item that everybody loved, and just because of that box logo right there. But everybody seems to like this a lot. It's Gore-Tex material as well as reversible, so this is a size large, which is my size. I might end up keeping this, not gonna lie, because I really do like this fleece, but I'm gonna hold it to the winter time before I can even wear it. So if prices end up skyrocketing, then I'll definitely sell it. If not, then I'll probably keep this for a personal. Next up here we got the oh focus. Next up here we got the Justin Bieber Drew House Crocs. Now I don't know. I know this. My camera likes to focus on my face, so I don't know if this will focus well, but it's got like some. They're obviously just yellow Crocs with some Justin Bieber slash Drew House gibbets, as you guys can see on there. Nothing too crazy. Honestly, I don't know the hype that everybody has with Crocs now. I hated them when I used to have them. I don't really like them now. They're not anything special. They're not that comfortable. So I'd much rather wear a comfy sneaker than something like this. Now here are the Supreme box logo long sleeves here. It's not focusing again, but whatever. You guys know what a box logo looks like. And this is just the white one anyway. It's literally just this white long sleeve with a red box logo. Um, so yeah, I ended up getting 4 of these, 3 mediums and 1 XL. They all came in already, and yeah. Okay, now I don't think I showed you guys my carbons yet, but about 40 pairs came in out of the 53 I checked out. So pretty good. I got about 17 grade school and the rest were men's all back here. I ended up selling one to my dad already. He just wanted one for himself, so I gave him one for retail. But there are all the carbons. Getting into the shoe here, it's basically just like every other V2. Obviously, this one is a bit nicer with the colors. Um, I can't really. All right, so if you guys didn't know, I'm a little color deficient, so I know like these are black and what else? Like what is this color? Like it kind of looks like a like teal blue to me, but I don't really know. It kind of seems like a light teal. If not, let me know in the comments, but I honestly really like these. A lot of the V2s that have released in the dark colorways, let me a lot of the V2s that have released in the darker colorways, like the carbons, like the earths, like the cinders, all of those have basically skyrocketed since their release. They just have basically just gone up since. So I'm 100% definitely gonna hold on to these carbons. I'll probably get rid of some of my Israfils, which haven't really moved as much, and I got to get rid of the rest of my Zions as well. And I will update you guys with some sales when I do end up selling stuff. Honestly, I haven't sold stuff in a while. I have like almost 250 items in my inventory not sold that I need to move. So I will update you guys when I do move that with all the profits and stuff, so you guys can see how I'm moving. Yeah, that is basically it. That is all that has come in this week. So hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like down below. Let me know what I should call the BornHype Cooks series as more of a professional name in the future, because I'm definitely going to be changing it up, the style. We're going to make everything all nice for you guys. I've also been streaming on Twitch. If you guys want to go check me out there, I'll leave a link in the description. If not, don't worry about it. So if you made it this far, huge thank you for watching the entire video. Big thank you to all the sponsors. Links and discounts are in the description down below. Make sure you guys go check all of them out. My Discord is also in the description down below, as well as my Twitter. If you guys want to stay connected with me, that's the best places to get in touch with me. If not, make sure you guys leave a like, turn on post notifications, and subscribe to continue watching all my YouTube videos that I release for you guys. And thank you guys very much for the support. We're closing in on 3,600 subscribers, which is great. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. This has been your boy Gavin or BornHype. Peace.